Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on two products that I received in BoxyCharm. I don't remember the months, but these are two products that I've been using for a while, and I like them. So positive feedback today. The first one's called the Hollywood, California GlamGlow Youthmud Glow Stimulating Treatment. Right here. And I'm gonna do a mask because today is New Year's Day, and as you can see, I still have makeup. Like, I washed my face, but so my face, I need to do a mask, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And then after I put that, I usually put these, like, I like to put eye patches. So this is called Generation Skin, and it's a hydrating marine algae eye patches, Gen Skin. Now this product I've been using for a while. I'm not sure if I've seen a big difference, but I do feel refreshed every time I use this. I do feel refreshed right after. So do I see a permanent like change? Not really, but the feeling is good. So I like to use it after a mask. As long as the product isn't giving me an allergic reaction, I'll keep on using it, because usually these products are expensive. Not expensive, but they cost more money than what you get it for in the BoxyCharm, so might as well use it. Okay, so my next clip, I am gonna show you guys the application, the texture, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am going to apply my GlamGlow mask, Hollywood, California Youthmud Glow Stimulating Treatment. Okay, I did find the little paper that comes in my BoxyCharm for that month. I don't know what month because it doesn't say. It would be cool if they could just like put March, April, because I don't know. But what it says here, my little paper, is Youthmud exfoliates with volcanic pumic rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. Regular price is $60. And this is in my BoxyCharm box. That's $27, $27.99, something like that. But so this is $60. So right away, because of the regular price, I'm like, oh, okay, this must be really good. Now what it says on the product, it says apply a thin, even layer to clean, dry skin. Leave up to 10 minutes. Product will tingle. That means it's working, which is true. When I've applied this, even the first time, I think the first time was more of a shock. I just started tingling, and I'm like, oh my god, is it like too strong? Like I just felt right away something maybe wasn't right, but no, it gives you a tingle. So okay, you remove with water and circular motions to exfoliate. Use twice a week or as desired. Follow with a moisturizer. A cooler needs Oh, product may darken and thicken over time. Okay, no wonder, because I think because it's like that clay texture. Like, let me show you guys. It's like this. I don't know if you can see it, maybe up close, but it's like a clay texture, and I guess it has what is that? I said sorry guys. Green tea. So you could see, like, when you apply it, you're gonna feel it's like a clay texture with like green tea leaves inside. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it on now. So I just put a little bit here. I usually I did this wrong, but whatever. And see these little green stuff? I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. I got some here. Yeah, that's like the green tea leaves. But like the product says, it can harden after a while. So you should use it, I guess, soon as you get it, because see, it's like a clay. It sucks because it's an expensive product, so you don't kind of want to use it right away. Like, I like using it, let's say if I have a party or an event to go to and I want my face to look nice, you know, so I'll do a mask before the event if I have time, if I remember. But and it'll leave your skin looking so smooth, like, I don't know. So I'm already starting to feel the tingling sensation. Try to get it everywhere, especially where you have pores. I'm a type of person, I have pores, so the pores can look smaller. It's usually cool to just try to apply as much as you can in those pores. If you don't like the big pores, you know, which I'm kind of not a fan of. But for me, it's genetic, so it's not much you can do unless you do like laser, I think. So the one thing you can do is do mask and stuff if you don't, you know. So see, let's see. So I have a little bit left, which is kind of upsetting because I like the product. This is the texture. See how it's just drying up? It's gonna dry up all over. See, it's already starting to dry up. And I feel it. It's tingling all around. That just means it's working. So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick because I decided to do this in my room. So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys how, while I have the mask, I'm gonna leave the eye patches on. Okay, be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna put on the algae patches before, you know, everything dries up. So it's cool, it comes with this little thing on top. But I'm not sure, sometimes I get confused. But I'm guessing it's like this. Not sure. Yeah, I think so. So you take your little, you try to, you know, there. Usually one always comes out okay, and the other one kind of breaks on me. Because it's like a jelly texture. They smell very refreshing, so it's pretty dope. See, like sometimes this side is always the one that I have to kind of, because I like to get it really under my eyes, because I have like under eyes and dark circles. Again, I think it's just genetic. But so yeah, so that's the eye patches I put when I put my mask. So I'm gonna close it, and I don't know if you can see, it's like a jelly form. It's pretty cool. Close. Put this on top, and then just close. Oh, la, 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 la. My face is like clay right now. It's hard. So anyway, so Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I found also the paper for that one. Not this one. It was this one. Fantasy, that's what it says. Again, I don't know what month it is. And these are the products. So on this one, it says Generation Skin, Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. My face feels like, because it's a little hard. This finely milled, oh, sorry. I'm reading. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skin care savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewy, fresher looking peepers. And regular price is $49.99. Okay. And again, I like these two products. That's why I usually do use them. I'm gonna do a YouTube on some products that I've received that I don't like, that I even got allergic reactions to. But this, no. At first, you get tingling from the clay. The algae patches are so refreshing. I'm gonna show you guys when I take it off how I feel and how it looks. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright, so we are back, and now I'm going to show you guys how I rinse this mask off. I take off my algae patches off, and it already feels, I don't know, refreshing. Alright, so I'm gonna just take this off. I have glitter in my hair because it's New Year's, so it's New Year's Eve, and don't mind the glitter. That's the main reason why I needed a mask today. I needed to kind of recruit. I had eyelashes in too, so it was just my face needed this. Oh, remember, it said circular emotions, right? And I'm washing it off with warm water. Not cold, not hot, nice and warm. And the clay really has stuck. Like you see all these little, this is the green tea. So I'm trying to, whoa, it really got stuck there. It's a birthmark. See over here. So it could be a little messy sometimes too. Because of all these little green teas. But wow. I see the difference. I feel the difference. Just dry it up. And I don't like to scrub. I like to like pat it hard, dry. That's my thing. So, wow, what a difference. I don't know if you guys, if you play it back to the beginning and you see how my face looks to how it looks now. And I had washed my face. So this is with the after the mask and the patches, the eye patches, and I feel amazing. Feel so refreshed. My skin feels so refreshed. Feels like I woke up and I'm ready to take over. But no, I'm really gonna just chill out, relax. I feel refreshed now. I'll probably take a shower, and yeah, my face is just now good without, you know, the makeup and all the impurities. Feel refreshed. And those are two items that I used that I received in my BoxyCharms, and that's how I learned of their existence. And would I buy those? I mean, I'm not sure if I would buy the algae patches. I mean, if they were cheaper, maybe. But just using patches, maybe you could find good prices on patches, eye patches, and wear it with your mask, and you'll feel amazing. Right now, my skin feels so soft, so soft. No moisturizer, nothing on it yet, you know. Now the GlamGlow, the mask, the Youthmud, whatever mask, OMG, that I would want to buy again. That's the thing. And it's worth the $60. You know what I mean? Like, that's why I'm like a little annoyed that it's already a little starting to, you know. But I needed the mask. I needed the eye patches. And now I feel great. So I recommend those two products. Get them, buy them, and enjoy them. All right? Bye, guys.